Hi, welcome to this presentation, Brain Training for Sport Performance. I'm Dr. Martin Emmink. In this video lecture, we're going to look at how focus can really help to avoid ANTS. ANTS is an acronym for Automatic Negative Thoughts. Automatic means that they are actually being produced by a very old part of the brain called the limbic system. The limbic system is what takes in all sensory information from our five senses and then determines whether what we are experiencing is a threat to us or if it's okay. Typically, the limbic system will tend to default to a negative reaction in its attempt to try to protect us. In doing so, it produces thoughts which can limit our performance. So in order to prevent automatic negative thoughts or ANTS, we need to think about developing a part of the brain that can help to counteract this. The solution for counteracting automatic negative thoughts is to develop focus. Focus can diminish the ANTS and help to promote conscious and positive thoughts which support high performance. Now, we're not all born with the best focus, and as we become older and older, there's a chance that our focus is diminished. This is particularly so when we face challenging situations, including in sport competition. In that competition, we develop, or what we could say, we are conditioning our brain to produce ANTS. ANTS may lead us to continue our engagement in the competition, but actually, unbeknownst to us, they can undermine our performance. So in order to tap into that mental reservoir that can enhance our performance, we need to work on developing our focus. Studies show that focus is a psychological skill that everyone can develop. The key here is to engage in a practice, mental training practice, which really reinforces focus and thus changes the way the brain operates in high stress and competitive situations. When we engage in regular mental training practices, we're actually helping our brain to increase its power in order to counteract automatic negative thoughts. The part of the brain that helps us to maintain positive and effective strategies in handling competition is the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex supports our attention. It helps us to remain in control of our emotions and thus best supports our performance. So by engaging in daily mental practices, we can strengthen our prefrontal cortex in order to remain in control of the situation. This is the focus of our mental training program, to use mental training practices to enhance our focus in order to counteract automatic negative thoughts which can undermine our performance.